Hi everybody, good morning and welcome. Today I will start exercise 2C regarding application of fraction. That means word problem of fractions. When you are going to solve word problem on fraction, first you have to find out the whole. That means problem में whole क्या है? You have to find out the whole. Whole means it may be the whole journey, it may be the whole property, it may be the total number of student of your class. Anything can be whole. WHOLE, whole. Because at the very beginning, when I start fraction, I told you fraction represent the part of a whole, parts of a whole. In word problem, first you have to find out the whole. Let us start sum number 1. I told earlier that I will not copy the sum. I will read the sum, discuss it and solve the problem. Okay. First sum, exercise 2C, sum number 1. The cost of a microwave oven is 12,600. Okay. Rajesh paid 2/3 of the price in cash and rest in 12 equal in monthly installment. Find the amount of monthly installment. तो हिंदी में क्या होता है कि एक माइक्रोवेव ओवन का कॉस्ट है 12,600. राजेश पेड 2/3 ऑफ द प्राइस इन कैश एंड रेस्ट, बाकी अमाउंट जो है उसको वो इन 12 इंस्टॉलमेंट पे किया है. ओके. अभी आपका सवाल है find the amount of monthly installment क्या है? Okay, now start. So sum number 1, cost price of microwave equal to rupees 12,600. ओके. जब सम पढ़ोगे धीरे धीरे पूरा एक बार पढ़ोगे, उसके बाद लाइन बाय लाइन पढ़ोगे एंड करते जाओगे. फर्स्ट क्या बोला है? फर्स्ट बोला है द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ माइक्रो ओवन इज 12,600. फर्स्ट लाइन. सेकेंड लाइन, राजेश पेड 2/3 of the price in cash. Rajesh paid 2/3 price in cash. तो Rajesh paid in cash equal to 2/3 of rupees 12,600. Clear? That means rupees 2/3 into 12,600. काटो 4200 equal to rupees 4200 into 2, 8,400. So Rajesh paid in cash rupees 8,400. Next क्या बोला? Next, and rest in 12 equal installment. Rest amount रेस्ट अमाउंट इक्वल टू, टोटल प्राइस है 12,600 माइनस 8,400, दिस इज द रेस्ट अमाउंट इक्वल टू 00 to 12 minus 8 4 rupees 4,200 is the rest amount, and this rest amount is paid in 12 installment. This amount was paid in 12 installment. 12 installment. So therefore he paid in each installment इक्वल टू, क्या हुआ, 4,200 रुपीज को ये 12 इंस्टॉलमेंट में पे किया, तो ईच इंस्टॉलमेंट इक्वल टू रुपीज 4,200 डिवाइडेड बाई 12. ओके, 4,200 डिवाइडेड बाई 12, 3 12 36, 6 इंटू 0 6, 0 आएगा नीचे, 5 6 30 60, सॉरी 300 रुपीज 350. It is the answer. So he paid in each installment. Question था, find the amount of the monthly installment. It is the amount of monthly installment. Now sum number 2. Sum number 2 is Aftab's monthly salary is 25,000. He spent 1/5 of his salary on rent. Of the remaining amount, he spent 1/4 on education of his children and 1/5 on food. Question है क्या? Question, find the Aftab's monthly expenditure, his monthly savings. Okay, अभी धीरे धीरे. Aftab's monthly salary was 25,000. Aftab's monthly salary is 25,000. ठीक है. He next बोला है, he spent 1/5 of his salary on rent. He spent on rent. He spent on rent equal to 1/5 of 25,000. That means 1/5 of 25,000, 5 से काटो तो 5,000. Next बोला है क्या, on remaining amount. Remaining amount means 25,000 सैलरी, 5,000 चला गया रेंट में, रह गया क्या 20,000. ठीक है, 20,000 का 1/4 he spent on education. 1/4 spent on education. 1/4 of rupees 20,000. 1/4 of rupees 20,000 means 4 से काटो तो 5,000. It is also 5,000. 5,000 spent on education. Spent on food 1/5 of the remaining amount. That means 1/5 into 20,000 equal to 5 से काटो तो 4,000. 4,000 spent on food. First क्वेश्चन था Aftab's monthly expenditure. Aftab's monthly expenditure, first रेंट में 5,000, एडुकेशन में 5,000, 4,000 फूड में, टोटल 14,000 his monthly expenditure. His monthly savings, total income 25,000, total expenditure 14,000, 25,000 minus 14,000 equal to 11,000 his savings, monthly savings. Okay. Next, sum number 4. John got a prize of 75,000. John got a prize of 75,000 in a TV contest. He paid 1/10 of his the prize as income tax. Out of the remaining, he gave 1/3 to his son, 1/5 to his daughter, and 1/10 to the Red Cross Society and rest to the wife. ठीक है. Now question is, what portion of prize did John's wife get and how much? हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ. जॉन को टीवी कॉन्टेस्ट में 75,000 रुपीज़ मिला है. उसमें से 1/10 इनकम टैक्स चला गया. आउट ऑफ द रिमेनिंग, बाकी में 1/3 सन को दिया है, 1/5 डॉटर को दिया है, 1/10 रेड क्रॉस सोसाइटी को दिया है एवं रेस्ट वाइफ को दिया है. तो वाइफ का अमाउंट क्या है, ये निकालना है. सो टोटल प्राइज मनी, टोटल प्राइज मनी ₹75,000. Okay, total prize money is ₹75,000. He paid 1/10 of the prize money as income tax. He paid as income tax equal to 1/10 of ₹75,000. That means 1/10 into 75,000 rupees. 00 कर दो, equal to ₹7500. 7,500 चला गया इनकम टैक्स में. रिमेनिंग अमाउंट equal to ₹75,000 टोटल प्राइज मनी माइनस टैक्स चला गया कितना, ₹7500 इक्वल टू ₹005 5 10 5 7 8 8 8 15 7 60,500 remaining out portion, remaining amount. इसमें से 60,500 से में रिमेनिंग अमाउंट का 1/3 he gave to son. He gave to son equal to 1/3 of 67,500 equal to 1/3 into 67,500. काटो इसको, 3 2 6 3 2 6 500 इक्वल टू ₹22,500 चला गया, दे दिया सन को. नेक्स्ट 1/5 टू हिज डॉटर. ही गेव टू हिज डॉटर इक्वल टू 1/5 of the remaining amount. 1/5 into 67,500. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 1 5 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. 13,500 given to daughter. 1/10 to the Red Cross Society. He gave to Red Cross Society. Red Cross equal to 1/10 into 67,500. 00 काटो, ₹6750 given to Red Cross Society. तो and rest to his wife. He gave to his wife. he gave to his wife rupees, टोटल रिमेनिंग अमाउंट था 67,500। इसमें से सन को दे दिया है 22,500, डॉटर को दिया है क्या 13,500 एंड रेड क्रॉस को दिया है 6,750। रेस्ट अमाउंट इक्वल टू रुपीज 24,000, इसको माइनस करने से आएगा रुपीज 24,750, 24,750, इट इज द वन ऑफ द आंसर। क्वेश्चन था क्या, व्हाट पोर्शन ऑफ प्राइस डिड जॉन्स वाइफ गेट एंड हाउ मच, इट इज द हाउ मच पोर्शन, देयरफॉर पोर्शन ऑफ price John's wife got, तो जॉन्स वाइफ को कितना पोर्शन माने मिला 24,750 तो मिला है आउट ऑफ 75,000, आउट ऑफ 75,000। काटो इसको, 5 से काटो, 5 से काटो, 1500, 5 से काटो, 5 4s 20, 5 9s 24 7 45, 5 9s 45, 5 5s 25। नेक्स्ट अगेन 5 से काटो, 300, 5 9s 45, 5 9s 45, 3 से काटो 33, इधर आएगा 11, दैट मीन्स 33/11, इट इज द पोर्शन ऑफ द प्राइज मनी which got by John's wife। okay, सम नंबर 6 में क्या है, सम नंबर 6, Rajesh had a packet of 20 sketch pens, he gives 12 to Krishna and 6 to Meena, what fraction of packet did he give to Krishna and Meena, what fraction of packet was left with him। तो राजेश के पास क्या था 20 स्केच पेन्स था, एक पैकेट में 20 स्केच पेन था, he gave 12 to Krishna and 6 to Meena, तो Krishna got 12 out of 20, Krishna got 12, that means काटो इसको 4 से, 4 3s 4 5s 20, 3/5। Meena got 6 out of 20, काटो इसको 3, 2 से काटो 3 10, 3/10। दिस इज आंसर ऑल्सो, 2 आंसर। व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द पैकेट डिड ही गेव कृष्णा एंड मीना, कृष्णा को दिया इतना और मीना को दिया इतना। द पोर्शन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ पैकेट वाज लेफ्ट विथ हिम, द पोर्शन ऑफ पैकेट लेफ्ट विथ हिम, टोटल पैकेट को यू हैव टू कंसिडर 1। इन केस ऑफ फ्रैक्शन टोटल को, टोटल इक्वल टू 1, तो 1 माइनस 3/5 माइनस 3/10, 3/5 इसको दिया है, 3/10 इसको दिया है, तो 1 माइनस 3/5 माइनस 3/10 इक्वल टू 10 इज द एलसीएम, 10 into 1 10, 10 divided by 5 2, 2 into 3 6, 10 divided by 10 equal to 1, 1 into 3 3, that means 1/10। okay, नेक्स्ट सम नंबर 9, सम नंबर 9 में है द बुक हैज 360 पेजेस, Ajoy read 11/18 of the book in a week while Sima read 7/10 of the book in a week, who read faster, by what fraction and by how much pages। एक बुक में 360 पेजेस है, अजय रीड 11/18, A book has 360 pages. Ajoy read 11 by 18 of 360 pages. That means 11 by 18 into 360. काटो 18, 18 2 जा 36, 0, 20 आएगा, 20 into 11 222, 220 pages. Ajoy read 220 pages. Seema read 7 by 10 of 360 pages. That means 7 by 10 into 360, 0 0 काटो, 37, 36 into 7, 252 pages. Seema read 252 pages. So Seema read faster. Here Seema read 252 pages. Ajoy read 222 pages. 220 pages. So Seema read faster. Seema read faster by 32 pages. Okay. Seema read more by, according to fraction, Seema read 7 by 10 portion. Ajoy read 11 by 18 portion. तो सीमा ज़्यादा क्या है? सीमा रीड मोर बाय 7 by 10 minus 11 by 18. दैट मीन्स 10 and 18 का एलसीएम है 90. 90 डिवाइडेड बाई 10, 9 into 7 63. 90 divided by 18 equal to 5. 5 into 11 55. That means 8 by 90 equal to 4 by 45 is the answer. Okay, there are 10 sums in the exercise 2C. I will give you the photocopy of this, of the 2 pages. You will do rest of the sum in your home, and I will start a new chapter in my next class. Okay, see you again. Good night.